Let us understand company, note, reminders, lock data, unlock data, change activation key, current date changing, and miscellaneous menu under browser's main menu. So first of all, when you click on note, you can put information. It's like reconciliation of HDFC Bank is done till 30th September and started from 1st of October, and purchase voucher number so and so is missing from the purchase file. You can select here to show the note when company is opened. Click OK. This is basically useful to understand what are the tasks pending for finalization of this particular company. Next we have reminders. See, the reminders you can set by date wise. You can pay advance tax, you can select a date for this. You can say deposit ABC company check in a bank. Suppose you received a post dated check and you want a reminder on the particular date, you can have a reminder. Withdraw cash from Dena Bank and deposit in SBI. How to add the reminder? So we have selected from company menu, reminder sub menu. This dialog has appeared, reminders. To add the reminder, click on add button and just type the subject here, deposit the check, DFG company, and can you give the reminder date 12/8/2003. Also you can have a date, you can have a note in case this particular task needs some more explanation. So this is reminder. You can have a flag set as when you do a particular task, you can click on done, so that particular task is done. If you want to reopen, this done status is gone, it is reopened. If you are doing it, it is completed, and if you want to delete that, just delete it. If you want to delete other reminders, just click on delete. If you want to edit it, just edit it. You can change the reminder, click on OK. These reminders can be viewed when you log in this company. Each time you log in this company, the reminder will pop up. Or otherwise you can have a company menu and reminders, so this dialog will come. You can see the reminders for today or pending reminders which are not yet done, pending tasks which are not yet done. Let us understand the miscellaneous browsers. The first miscellaneous browser is party information. So this is your ready-made directory. You can print this. Now let us see what all it contains. The column is a party name, its customer company, its address, then its telephone number, email ID, telephone number, office, mobile, home, fax, email ID, credit limit, other information like CST, SST, PAN number, price list, which price list is set for this customer, assistant name, assistant mobile. Also you can add the custom fields from here. So already we have added this assistant mobile, assistant name, contact person mobile, right? You can have custom field as a column in any browser. So we have seen party information. Let's see other miscellaneous browser. It is item information. So this is a complete item master list. You can have items name, parent group, then the code. If you want to hide, if you are not using code, just hide it. Description of that product, opening balance, closing balance, and then the primary unit, other units, minimum quantity, reorder level, maximum quantity, sales price and purchase price. So this also you can print and keep as your item master information. It gives you most of all information about the items. You can have a custom fields also. If you are setting custom fields for items, you can have them as a column in this browser too. Next is the browsers and letter to price parties is outstanding bills. If I want to select these two parties and want to send the letters, so these are the parties selected, and outstanding is seen here, which are the bills and which receipts we have received. When you click on print or hit Alt P, this will show you how it is going to print. You can zoom in and zoom out, and you can also select the margin. You want this margin, then from top you want this much margin. Just click on print, it will print. You can also have the header note. You can edit this. Here are the variables used, like today, party name, party address 2, party address 3. Footer note. Footer note is we request to take immediate steps toward the payment of the above listed bills. You can have a decent language too, right? Thanking you, then your company name, say for whatever. And save this. So that will be the footer note. It will be printed. So we have seen the letter to parties for outstanding bills, letter to parties for ledger confirmation. This is usually when the financial year ends. That time you send the ledger confirmation letter to the parties. Select the parties, click OK. This dialog will come. So this is a ledger confirmation browser. You can just click on print and the format will appear. AQURA will print the ledger confirmation letters for parties. Also you have a letter to parties. You can create different letters. When you click print, you can create, say, launching a new product. Click on OK and this will print the particular letter. You can create your own letters which you would like to send your customers or parties, suppliers. Now we see the remaining options which you haven't seen so far, like change current date. You can change current date to, say, 12/6/2003. So this is the current date. So what we'll do is now we'll put any voucher. So this shows the current date is changed to 12/6/2003. Another option is current date is today. So AQURA will take a current date as a machine date, your computer date. Change activation key will be required in case you are upgrading AQURA from, if you are using accounting version only, and if you want to upgrade it to accounting plus inventory. And if we send you the activation key, you can select your change activation key, insert the inventory activation key, so that you can use AQURA with accounting and inventory. If you want to upgrade it to counter sale version, then you can click here change activation key and enter counter sale version key. Edit options we have seen. Lock data, unlock data, good feature. Click here to lock the data. Give up to date, up to 10. So the AQURA will give you the data is locked up to 10/9/2003. Message here in the status bar. If I put any voucher in that range, say HDFC 1200, customer company 1200, adjusting it. So this will not, AQURA will not allow me to put in a voucher in the locked range. So data is locked up to 10/9/2003. this card information. Let us see how to unlock the data. So data not locked, just click here and data is unlocked. Now again this will be depend upon the permissions, user rights you give to the users. So a particular user cannot unlock the data, so that person will not be allowed to put a voucher in that date range, means up to that date range. There are certain other locking methods also. It's like if you are administrator, you can lock, or you are a user who has a permission of locking the data, locking the vouchers, you can lock. Let us see how. So register, sales register I am in, and I'm selecting these vouchers. Okay, so I would like to lock this. So just click here, or you can hit the space bar key, space bar and space bar. You can unselect by space bar. If you want to select all, just click here and all are selected. You can now perform different actions. So I would like to lock this particular account. Say Alt U, audit marked vouchers. So these vouchers are locked. You see the lock, so nobody can change them. Similarly, you can lock the particular account if your reconciliation is done. HDFC Bank, I have hit the Control A key or data accounts menu, so accounts dialog is open, and here you see I select here a lock, so that HDFC Bank is locked, so nobody can enter any voucher for HDFC Bank. Also, if I am finalized the party customer company, I can lock, so lock the company. Unlock is simple, just go there, and if you have a permission of unlocking, you can unlock the particular account. When you lock any account, nobody can enter voucher in that account. You have find account. If you have so many accounts, then you can click here find, say account HD, so gives the HDFC Bank. If you select say sales related accounts, say accounts which contain sales in a name, not custom field, not party information, not parent group, not description, go. So the accounts will be selected in which name is a sale, so sale appears in a name, sales commission, sale, right? So all those accounts will appear and you can select that particular account. This finding the account facility is also available when you enter the voucher. If you are entering a sales voucher, any voucher, right? So here if you see there's a button, if you click here, this is again a find account. If I say this is the HDFC Bank, so you can find the accounts immediately. Similarly, we have find items option also. Here if I want to find some item, you click here and select mouse. So these items are there in which mouse is seen, so mouse pad and tens pack mouse pad. So click OK, so that particular item is selected, hit enter key, and you are ready to put the voucher, right? So we have seen the finding of accounts.